Good morning, students. Welcome back after Diwali vacation. Today we are starting with question number 10 of retirement, page number 268 of your textbook. Please keep your textbook along with while solving the sum. Question number 10, page number 268. Deep, Jyoti and Geeta, partners sharing in their ratio of capital. Balance sheet is given as on 31st 3 2017. First point, new profit sharing ratio of Deep and Geeta is to be kept at 1:1. Here Jyoti retired on the above date. Goodwill of firm is to be valued at 70,000. So first here retirement will find out the gain ratio of partner. Old ratio of Deep, Jyoti and Geeta is given as 2:3:2, which is in their capital ratio. Here Jyoti retires, so and new ratio is given 1:1. Gain ratio is equal to old ratio given, new ratio is also given. New ratio minus old ratio. Gain of Deep is equal to 1/2 minus the old ratio of Deep is 2/7. So gain of Deep comes 3/14. Gain of the Geeta is equal to 1/2 minus 2/7. Again the same, 3/14. So here gain ratio is 1:1. Now the firm's value of goodwill is given at rupees 70,000. We have to give the entry for the partner retiring, that is Jyoti's share. So entry here will be, first we will find out the goodwill for Jyoti. So firm's goodwill is 70,000. Jyoti's share is 70,000 into 3/7. That comes 30,000. This 30,000 goodwill will be distributed among the remaining partners, that is Deep and Geeta, in their gain ratio, that is 1:1. That comes 15,000 and 15,000. So entry here will be Deep's capital debit, Geeta's capital debit to Jyoti's capital. We have already discussed here on retirement, Deep's capital account debit, Geeta's capital account debit to Jyoti's capital, that is remaining to retiring. The share of Jyoti's goodwill is 30,000. So entry will be given as 15,000, 15,000 and Jyoti's share 30,000. The effect of this will be given in the capital account. Now the second point, bad debt reserve on debtors is to be reduced up to 10%. In balance sheet, debtors 40,000 given, BDR old created is 6,000. So we will reduce here 10%, that is 40,000, 10% is 4,000. We have to keep it, the reduction amount is 2,000. So here we will again make the entry for BDR 2,000. That means we have to keep only 4,000 out of 6,000. So 2,000 we are again crediting to the revaluation account. In the balance sheet also, in the entry of the debtors, will make debtors 40,000 minus BDR 4,000. So 36,000 in balance sheet. Second, stock is to be shown in the books at 25% more than its cost. Stock to be recorded at cost. Stock is given in the balance sheet at 50,000, which is more than 25% than its book value. So what we will do, 50,000 into 100 divided by 125. That means total value of stock should be 40,000, but it is shown in books at 50,000. So we will reduce the amount of stock by 10,000. So in the revaluation account, debit side, to stock 10,000, and in balance sheet also we'll make the entry for stock 50,000 minus reduction value 10,000. So final amount will be outer column 40,000. Third point, 60,000 is paid for trademark during the current year, which is for the total 6 years. Total trademark amount is 60,000, which is to be written off in 6 years. So 60,000 divided by 6, that is 10,000. To trademark written off 10,000. In balance sheet we will make the entry for trademark 60,000 minus return of 10,000, final amount outer column 50,000. Next point, liability of provident fund is decided at 35,000. Total liability is decided at 35,000, but in the old balance sheet the liability is given at 32,000. That means we have to create 3,000 more. So we'll create here liability to provident fund, new liability created for 3,000. In balance sheet also we'll make the entry on the liability side, provident fund 35,000. Next point, total capital of new firm is to be kept as the total capital of the old firm. The old firm capital is 3,50,000. That means here what they have asked, that closing capital of Deep and Geeta to be kept as old, that is 3,50,000 only. We will see this adjustment afterwards. Now here we will make the total of revaluation account 23,000. By BDR it is given 2,000, so we will deduct by loss Deep, Jyoti, Geeta. In their old ratio it will be distributed. Total amount 21,000, 23,000 deducted minus 2,000, so 23,000 here total. Make the total on completion of the sum. This 21,000 will be distributed among the old partner Deep, Jyoti and Geeta in their old ratio, that is 2:3:2. So amount comes 6,000, 9,000 and 6,000. Now partners capital account, first entry by balance brought down, balance sheet, old balance sheet, the balances is given, we will write that balance, copy down the balance from that. General reserve shown in the old balance sheet 28,000 will be distributed among the old partners, that is Deep, Jyoti and Geeta, by general reserve 28,000 to be distributed among the old partner. So 8,000, 12,000 and 8,000. Revaluation loss will write to loss of revaluation. This will transfer to this side, 6,000, 9,000, 6,000. Now entry for goodwill. the retiring partner gets the goodwill from the remaining partner. So entry for that we have seen as Deep's capital account, Geeta's capital account debit to Jyoti's capital account. We will make the entry in their capital account to Jyoti's capital account. In the column of Deep 15,000, in the column of Geeta 15,000. Similar way here we will write by Deep's capital, by Geeta's capital. That will be in the Jyoti's column 15,000, 15,000. Here in old balance sheet, goodwill is given as 14,000, that is old goodwill. We will write off that goodwill among the old partners on the debit side, that is debit side will write to goodwill. Whatever amount for the old goodwill, that is distributed among the old partner in their old ratio. 14,000 to be distributed among Deep, Jyoti and Geeta. 4,000, 6,000 and 4,000. Now, a partner who is retiring, that is Jyoti, the amount payable to Jyoti is transferred to her loan account. All the entries we have made except capital. The total amount payable to Jyoti is the total of credit side 1,50,000, 12,000, 15,000, 15,000. That is 1,92,000. We will write the total up, leaving 2-3 lines. Here the debit total 6,000 and 9,000 will be deducted from the Jyoti's capital account. So to Jyoti's loan account, after deducting these two amount, we will get as 1,77,000. Nothing is mentioned about the Jyoti's loan, so we will transfer this Jyoti's loan to balance sheet, that is new balance sheet. Here Jyoti's loan, if a part of amount is paid, that will be shown accordingly. Now the point for capital, what they have said about the capital: total capital of the new firm is to be kept as the total capital of the old firm. The old capital is 3,50,000, which is to be shown among the old partners except Jyoti, that is Deep and Geeta. That means they have become new partners now, Deep and Geeta. The new capital of new firm is same as old. So here that is 3,50,000, which is to be distributed among Deep and Geeta in their new ratio, that is 1:1. So we will leave one line and write here to balance carried down. 3,50,000 is to be distributed among 1:1. So the closing capital for Deep and Geeta is 1,75,000, 1,75,000. Deep and Geeta will maintain this capital in their new ratio. For this purpose, the difference is to be transferred to their current account. Students, what previously we used to do, we used to calculate the closing capital by this way, adding the credit amount then deducting the debit amount. But here, according to the point, the closing capital is considered as the old capital, that is 175, and the adjustment to be done in current account. That means whatever balancing figure in their capital account will be transferred to the current account of Deep and Geeta. If we make the total, this side is more, that is debit side is more. This is 2 lakh and this is also 2 lakh. The debit of Deep is 2 lakh. Here the credit of Deep is 1 lakh 8,000. So difference amount is to be transferred to their current account by current account. That is 92,000 here, and similarly for Geeta 2 lakh minus 1 lakh 8,000, so 92,000. Here the partner's capital account is completed. Will make the total 2 lakh and 2 lakh. This 1,90,000 will come here. Totaling is to be done on completion or if the capital account or revaluation account is over. Now the same entry we have to transfer to the current account also. That means from here to current account of Deep and Geeta. Deep and Geeta. Jyoti is already retired. To capital account 92,000. It will be closed by transferring to the credit side by balance carried down 92,000. Here the closing capital 175 will be shown in new balance sheet. Capital account of Deep and Geeta 1,75,000. Total of which we have written as 3,50,000. Now the partner's current account closing balance 92,000 and 92,000. This will be shown on the asset side of balance sheet. As it is on the credit side closing balance, so it will be shown on the asset side of your balance sheet. Current account of Deep 92,000. Current account of Geeta 92,000. Here we have already completed with revaluation account, partners capital account, current account and balance sheet also we have made the entries. Now the entries which having no adjustment, that is creditors, will transfer to the new balance sheet. As it is, there is no adjustment in the creditors amount, so we'll write as 60,000 here. And on the asset side, land and building, no adjustment. After completion, just check out the entries for which is having no adjustment, so we'll write the amount directly in the balance sheet. Land and building is 2,90,000. Trademark entry we have made, debtors, stock. Now one more thing is, that is bank account 22,000. Here there is no entry in the bank account, so we'll leave this bank account as it is. Don't make any cut in this sum. If there is no entry, we will not make any entry. Directly will show to balance brought down 22,000 by balance carried down 22,000. This bank account you will show here. Students, please leave some space so that you can show the amount properly here, 22,000. If we don't make the entry in the bank account and directly we show in the balance sheet, that is also okay. Now we have almost completed all the entries. Just make the total for the sum. Here totaling we have done. This loss we have transferred here. Here closing figure for the capital we have find out. We had made the total. Now 22,000 and 22,000. That is, we will make the entry. For balance sheet, make the total. Here I don't have space, so I am writing here the amount. The total, you can use the calculator. Total comes 6,22,000. Here also 6,22,000. You have to copy it down this sum in your notebook. If you find any difficulty, you can again see this video. Student, it is compulsory to do this sum in your notebook, as board has already mentioned that these are the important sums. Thank you. You will copy this sum in your notebook and you will show the calculation of gain ratio as well as goodwill, and marks is also given for these entries. Try to do neat and clean work. Use pencil and scale.